Howdy gang, and welcome back to Pool School. You know, every once in a while a product comes on the market that has the ability to change the entire face of pool chemistry and, more importantly, revolutionize the entire pool maintenance industry. And if this product does what the manufacturers say it does, this is one of those products. Let me introduce you to the Pool Tiger. Alrighty, before we get going, I want to thank you again for watching. Remind you to like this video if you do, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool. Also, don't forget to check out my website, poolschooler.com. The website actually will come across the screen right here, poolschooler.com. It's full of exclusive membership content that will continue to help you further save money on taking care of your pool yourself. Alrighty, as I said, this product, in my opinion, has the ability to possibly revolutionize not only the pool chemistry industry, but the pool maintenance industry as well. Now, just a couple disclaimers. Number one, I receive no money from this company or any company that I do product reviews for any product that is sold through them or for even doing the review. The only thing that I require is that the company provide me with the unit or the product so that I can test it out free of charge, and then I can give an honest review of what my findings are. So that is my disclaimer. The second disclaimer is I'm going to go very briefly over this product because there's a lot of technical and scientific stuff in it that I really don't know, and I think it's important to know. So I'm going to refer you to their website, very simple, pooltiger.com. Again, pooltiger.com. And you can go to their website and just read through the home page, and there's all these bullet points about how things work and all that kind of stuff. And then if you want to further explore the product, the science behind it, what these things mean, some of the terms I'm going to use, please go to the How It Works section in their website, and it'll give you greater detail on the science behind it and why everything works, and also scientific proof and you know, all kinds of testing and stuff like that. So please really do check that out. And then as far as the price and as far as finding someone to sell it or where to get it, please go to their site, and there's a link there that you can click on Find a Dealer. They only sell it through certified dealers. I am not a dealer of the product, but they sell it through certified dealers. That way they can maintain product, the integrity of the product and the quality of the product and the service. But you can go there, punch in your area, your city or whatever, and you can locate a dealer. So please refer to the website for any technical or scientific information on this product or for where to get it and how much it costs, okay? I won't be able to answer those questions. Sorry, one final disclaimer. I installed this product during the winter months when the pool season was pretty much over, so the heat wasn't there, we weren't going through a ton of chemicals, and there were not a lot of people in the pool. So my review and my grade for this product is based on that, and I will do a follow-up one at the end of this summer when I can really see if this product delivers what they say it will during the hot Arizona months and with a lot of people in the pool. All right, so I'll do a follow-up on that, but I'll give you my initial grade after this, at the end of this video. And I'm also going to post at the very end of this video a sheet that shows all the things that they say you can expect when using this product in your pool. All right, that way you can see what it does. Okay, so how does this thing work? Well, apparently, according to them, the Pool Tiger uses a process called hydrodynamic cavitation that creates something called structured water, all right? Now again, for more details on that, go to their website and look it up yourself, do the research yourself, okay? But what it does is it drastically reduces the use of chemicals or the need for chemicals in your pool, and that's kind of important, one thing to keep in mind. It doesn't mean you're not only going to use less chlorine, but you can keep your chlorine levels at a much lower level. And I'll show you that when I go out to one of the pool I installed it in, because typically you keep your ideal chlorine levels between 3 and 5 parts per million. In this pool, I've kept it at 0.25 to 0.50 parts per million with no problems whatsoever, okay? And that's what I've found in the pool that I have it in. So keep that in mind, and that's a huge benefit, because think about this. Your skin is the largest organ on your body, all right? And when you're swimming, your skin is absorbing every chemical that's in there. So chlorine, acid, bicarbonate of soda, phosphate remover, algicide, all of that stuff is being absorbed into your skin. So by using not only less chlorine and less acid to manage your pH and alkalinity and all that, not only are you using less of it, which saves you money, that's a perk, but you're also using lower levels of it, so less of it's being absorbed into your body. There's less concentration of it being absorbed into your body. And that's a huge benefit. And when you think about all the problems getting chlorine right now, and the cost of chlorine, it's not going to go down any time in the future that we know of. And so saving money on chlorine and chemicals, that's a huge benefit. Not to mention that you're having less scaling in your pool due to the structured water. Okay, again, more on structured water and hydrodynamic cavitation, go to their website and look it up. But those are the reasons I think you owe it to yourself and to all your friends and loved ones who swim in your pool to check out this product and give it a serious consideration as to whether or not you want to purchase it and put it in your pool. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you out to one of my clients' pools where we installed the Pool Tiger, and we can talk a little bit about what I've seen as a result, and you can see how it's installed and how easy it is. Alrighty, so here is the Pool Tiger installed in one of my clients' pools, and again, like I said, it's been in here for just about 5 months. This is a DE filter, and notice we installed it according to the manufacturer's recommendations, which is it's an existing build with a heater, so we put it on the return side after the filter, but before the heater. And remember, that's because the heater, because of scaling in the heater coil, it builds up scale and calcium deposits. And when that structured water starts working on that heater coil, if there's any scaling there, it's going to start to break free. And if it's on the other side of that structured water, if that Pool Tiger's on the other side of the heater on the way back, those scale particles will clog the jets in that Pool Tiger. So again, with this one, we follow the manufacturer's requirements, put it at the return side after the filter, but before the existing heater. That's super important. Follow their instructions exactly so you don't run into any problems. Now, what have I noticed? I have noticed that I've had no problems with this Pool Tiger, the jets inside of it, clogging at all, not a problem, no additional pressure. The one thing I have noticed is I have to usually backwash this filter every 6 to 8 weeks. And since I've installed the Pool Tiger, and they said you probably will have to keep your filter media clean more often, I'm cleaning and I'm backwashing and recharging this filter now about every 4 weeks since I put the Pool Tiger in. And again, that's because according to their documentation, somehow the structured water makes the particles bigger and clumped together, so they filter into the filter better. And so that means your filter is going to work more efficiently, and it means you're going to have to clean the media a little more often. So now let's go take a look at the pool, and I'll tell you what I've discovered when it comes to the pool water. Okay, so here is my client's pool. And again, to be fair, I installed this Pool Tiger during the winter months, but now we're into spring. We're already in the 90s, and so we've had some warmer weather. And I have noticed a couple things. Number one, the amount of chlorine I use is far less. I keep this chlorine, typically the ideal levels are 3 to 5 parts per million. And in this pool, since I installed the Pool Tiger, I've kept the chlorine levels at 0.25 to 0.50 parts per million. So 0.25 to 0.50 instead of 3.0 to 5.0 parts per million. So that is substantially less chlorine, and this pool has never gotten cloudy. It has remained crystal clear, all right? And one other thing I want you to notice is, I'm going to zoom into the other side of the pool, and you see the tile line there? You see the scaling? Now, if you look really close, you'll notice that the water level is below that. Now, typically, if you wanted to remove that scale with that structured water, you'd have to raise the water level up above that scaling line to allow the structured water to start dissolving and removing that scale. But rather than do that, and possibly, if you notice, their scale line is pretty close to the top of that tile line, and I didn't want to get it too much higher because that could damage the actual integrity of the pool itself. So what I did was I lowered the pool level about 3/4 of an inch to an inch to see if that scale would build up in that gap. And you notice between the water line and the actual scale, bottom of the scale line, there is no additional scale built up. There's a gap. And that tells me that that scale is not building up anymore, and it is not allowing scale to build up on that fresh tile line. If it was, you would see scale between the water line and the bottom of that old scale line. Okay, I'm gonna get a little closer so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's a closer look. If you look at that scale line, at the bottom of it, there is a gap about 1/2 inch between the water and the scale line, all right? That's what I lowered the water level to see if any scale would build up in between that, and lo and behold, it hasn't. So that tells me, in my opinion, that that scale is no longer building up. And again, in order to remove this, you'd either have to raise the water level to let the structured water do its job, and I didn't want to do that and risk getting it overfilled, or you can just use a pumice stone and scrub it off, and then you should not have an issue with scale anymore, okay? And again, your results may vary, but those are the results that I've had. And you notice, again, this pool is crystal clear, and in all fairness, I'm going to do a follow-up product review on this product after the summer, when it's really going to show and shine its true colors. And at that point, I'll give it my final grade. For right now, let's go back to the house, and I will give you my grade and my opinion on this product based on my 5 months of having it in one of my clients' pools. So in the interest of keeping this video as short as possible while still giving you information about this product, I want to give you my review, again, based on this product being in one of my clients' pools for the winter months. So the final analysis and the final grade will come at the end of this summer. But my initial grade on this product is an A. It is definitely an A. And my recommendation is, I would highly recommend, at the very least, doing some serious research from their website on this product and find out as much as you can on this product, again, because you'll understand how it works, and why it is so unique. And again, I think you owe it to yourself and everyone who swims in your pool to take a look at it, because of the amount of chemicals your body absorbs normally, so less chemicals in the pool, the amount of money you'll save on using less chemicals, and the fact that you won't have any more unsightly scaling on your pool. So those are 3 real serious reasons to check this out. So again, I give this product right now an A, and I highly recommend it. You do the research and see what you think. So folks, that is my review on the Pool Tiger product. I hope it made sense. Again, if you have any questions, please refer to their website and not me, because like I said, I don't know about cost. I don't know all the chemistry and scientific reasons all of this stuff works, but refer to their website. If you have any questions on anything I've said or my experience with the product, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below this video, or you can email me directly, and my email address is going to come across the bottom of the screen. It's going to go this way, I think. kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. And remember what I said earlier, I'm going to put at the end of this video a picture of their description of all the things that this product does, so you can read it over. So if you want to skip to that, go ahead and do that. And also I'll show you a picture of the product as well. So I want to thank you again for watching, remind you to like, subscribe, and share. And until we meet again, have fun, be safe, and always, always, always watch those kids and elderly folk and pets around water, and check out pooltiger.com. I'll see you next time.